Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm gonna be doing a fall vlog. I'm so excited. This is literally the best time of year in my opinion. I'm gonna be doing a bunch of fall things to just kind of get in the fall mood. I'm gonna be baking, decorating, shopping, getting a pumpkin spice. Lots of fun things planned. I really hope you guys enjoy. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do. Let me know if you'd like to see one of these for Christmas time. If you like these types of videos, definitely comment below your favorite thing about fall or something you like to do in the fall season. Something that's on your fall bucket list. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at emilygrace.26. I have a lot of fun fall content coming, so you don't want to miss out. I don't know if I've said this in any videos, but I do have a fall trip planned, so I'm going to be vlogging and doing some fun fall travel content. I'll give you guys a little hint. It's like my favorite place ever, and you guys usually love my vlogs from there. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get into it. Starting off with a haul, I picked up so many cute pieces from Garage. I wanted to start this video off with a clothing haul. Nothing gets me more excited for a new season than updating my wardrobe and doing some shopping. I'm actually partnering with Garage on this video, so thank you so much to Garage for sponsoring. I love Garage. Garage is definitely one of my favorite brands. I love their pieces. If you guys watch my channel often, you would know I love my basics. Garage has really good basics. I also feel like everything they have is very on trend. Everything I've ever gotten from there has been so comfortable, just like very soft materials, high quality. It's washed up really good. I just love Garage. I feel like everything I've gotten from there I've been so obsessed with. I'm really excited to be partnering with them. I got some really cute things, some really good fall essentials. As always, I'm gonna have everything linked below in the description, so you can shop all these pieces through the links below. Also sizing details and everything like that in the description. Let's start off with the jeans. I love Garage's denim. The first pair of jeans I got are these, and I just think these are so cute. I feel like they're gonna be my new favorite pair of jeans. I'm literally obsessed with them. They're like this medium wash, and there's just like this little bit of distressing. They're super cute. They're kind of like a mid-rise baggy fit, like a straight leg. This is like my favorite style of jeans. I'm really excited to add these to my collection. I also don't have a lot of like medium wash jeans, and I love this wash. This is actually probably like my favorite wash. These are just like the perfect everyday jeans. Like they would literally look good with anything, and they're just really soft. They're like a thick, soft denim, like super comfortable. I just love these. Next up are these jeans. They're very, very similar wash, maybe just a little bit darker. These are like a cargo style pair of jeans. I love cargo pants and I love jeans, so these are just like the perfect mix of both. The material is also super, super comfortable. I feel like these will be so great. I would recommend sizing down in these just because they're a little bit loose in the waist. I think these are so cute, especially with like a very fitted kind of longer style tee. I'm so excited to style these. I think they're just so trendy and so cute. Speaking of a fitted kind of longer style tee, I also got this t-shirt. I am so obsessed with this. I love this t-shirt. It's like the perfect everyday t-shirt. I kind of need every color of this. I'm literally so obsessed. I love this material of t-shirts. Cotton material, like it's super lightweight and stretchy, and it's just like the perfect t-shirt material. This just fits really good. It's tight and fitted. The sleeves, the neckline, it all just kind of hits in all the right places. This is a little bit longer, so it goes really well with like mid-rise jeans like the ones I just showed. I just love the style. I feel like this is such a good basic. If you do not have a t-shirt like this in your wardrobe, you definitely need to pick this up because this is just such a good staple. Next are these pants. I think these are so cute. I actually wore these yesterday to take Instagram pictures. I just really love these. They're so cute. I think these would look so good in the fall with like a chunky sweater. Also just like a crop t-shirt like right now while it's still warm. I just think these are so cute. I love the color. They're kind of like a denim kind of material. I think these would be so good for all of the season. They're different than just your everyday jeans or cargo pants. You can actually adjust the waist if you struggle with like the waist being gappy or finding the perfect fit. These are perfect. Next are some sweatpants. Sweatpants are such an essential for the fall season. I wear sweatpants like every single day. I love Garage's sweatpants. I have a few other pairs of sweatpants from Garage. I've been very into like the flared sweatpant kind of style, like straight leg or flared bottom rather than like jogger style. I picked up these sweatpants. They're light gray. These are so comfy. Like these are literally the best sweatpants. They're just such a flattering and cute fit. I never wear sweatpants out, but I would wear these out because they're so cute. They're just like this kind of like straight leg bottom. They have pockets, a drawstring. I think these would look really cute with like that white t-shirt or like a little graphic tee or like an oversized sweatshirt in the fall and winter. I also got these sweatpants. I love this charcoal gray color, and these are like cargo style sweatpants. These are also so soft. They're like a very flowy, soft material. They're not like that thick kind of like structured fleece material. They're like a very soft, flowy fleece material. I just love how these fit and feel. These also have kind of like a wide leg straight leg type bottom. I just love all the pockets. These fit just a little bit smaller. I feel like the waist is a little bit tighter. If you don't like them to be more fitted, maybe size up. If you like the waist to be a little looser. These come in a couple different colors. I just love this color. Next, I got a couple long sleeve tees. I'm so excited about these. I got this one. These are literally so soft. It's light gray color and it says Chicago. This is literally probably the softest shirt that I've ever got. The softest ribbed material, like really soft and stretchy, super comfortable. I love this color. I think it looks really good with the little graphic. This would look good like under a flannel or like a denim jacket, or you could literally just wear this on its own. I love graphic t-shirts, but I don't really have any graphic long sleeve shirts. This would be perfect in the fall one. I just had a feeling I would really love these, so I got 2 of them. I also got this one. This has a little pink and white graphic. I think this would look good with the cream pants that I showed earlier on the website. They were paired together and I just thought that would look really good. This one is also a super soft ribbed stretchy material. Next, I got this little bolero knit shrug. I just think this is so cute. I love this like lightweight knit material. I thought this would look so good with like a little tank top or tube top kind of going into the fall. Perfect for right now while it's still kind of warm. You kind of want to wear some sweaters and stuff like that. Perfect to just like throw on over a tank top. This one's like a nice cream color. It also comes in light gray. Next, I got this puffer vest. I think this is so cute. I love this chocolate brown color. This is like kind of like a fitted cropped style. It's like very boxy. I think this would look so good with like a mock neck, like a long sleeved mock neck and some baggy jeans, sneakers. So cute. I just love this so much. Like I'm so excited to wear this. I mentioned puffer vest in my fall essentials video. I love puffer vests. They're like my favorite thing to wear in the fall. That is all the pieces that I picked up from Garage. Definitely make sure to shop all the products through the links below. I'll have all the sizing details and everything like that in the description. Now I'm gonna make like a little fall mood board. My phone wallpaper is a little collage and right now it's very summer themed. Pool pictures, ice cream, very colorful. I kind of want to update that for fall so that way every time I unlock my phone it's just like fall vibes. I think I'm gonna make like a little fall collage that I can set as the screensaver on my phone. I have a Pinterest board for all the different seasons, so I just like to save pictures from that, kind of collage them together, make it look cute. I also like to include pictures of things that I kind of want to do that season, so if I have any like specific things in mind that I want to do, going to the pumpkin patch, drinking a pumpkin spice, specific ways that I want to dress for the fall season, being productive, like certain goals that I have. I just kind of try to include all that on there. That way every time I look at my phone, it's just like what I want my fall season to look like. Kind of gets me in the mood for fall. That is the next thing. I love how the mood board turned out. I think it's super cute. The next thing is to get a pumpkin spice. Hi, can I get a medium or a grande iced pumpkin spice latte?
I'm actually so sorry for the entire thing.
I got the pumpkin spice. This is the first one of the season, so I have not had the pumpkin spice in like a year. I'm so excited. I haven't taken a sip yet. Let's taste it. Wait, look at it. It looks good. Sometimes you can tell like by the color that it's like not gonna be good. This one looks good. Oh my gosh. I even put on a flannel for this. It's 100 degrees out to like be in the fall spirit. I love it. So good. Literally the taste of this, I'm just like so excited for fall now. Like it literally feels like it's fall. Fall is the best season. Oh my gosh. Makes me so happy. Also, I haven't been to Starbucks in so long. I literally said a medium and not a grande. That was embarrassing. The next thing is fall shopping, fall decorations, Bath and Body Works. We gotta have the fall candles, the fall decorations. I actually just went and visited my sister at college and we did a bunch of fall shopping. We went to Target, we went to TJ Maxx, we went to Bath and Body Works. I literally went crazy. I'm gonna do a little haul of what I picked up and I also did vlog while we were shopping. starting out with Bath & Body Works. First up is this soap. This is the pumpkin apple scent. Looks like that. I love seeing the new packaging each year. I do have a cinnamon pumpkin scent left over from last year, and a perfect autumn, I think is what it's called. So I have a little bit of those. I love the apple scents. Like the apple picking is like my favorite. I just love some kind of apple scent, especially at the beginning of fall. Of course, I had to get some candles as well. First up is the white pumpkin. You already know if you watch any of my other fall vlogs from like previous years, I literally love the white pumpkin. I actually have it burning. I don't know if you can see that, but I have like a little one wick. This just smells so good. It is literally the best fall scent. It smells so good. I love the packaging. It's like very clean and minimal. If you do not have this candle, you should definitely get it because it smells so good. I also got a one wick of the white pumpkin. I do have one left over from last year, the one I'm burning right now. I don't have much left of it, and I love burning a little one wick when I'm just like sitting at my desk or in my room. The one wick is like the perfect amount of smell. Lastly, from Bath & Body Works is this marshmallow fireside candle. I just got this in a one wick because it's a pretty strong smell. This is like a really nice, like warm, cozy type smell. Literally smells like the name sounds. I think this is like the perfect like winter scent, especially like after Christmas, like you're kind of done with fall, you're kind of done with Christmas. That is everything at Bath & Body Works. Next is TJ Maxx. I kind of went crazy at TJ Maxx, like just a little bit crazy. I got like a bunch of pumpkins, and I just have no self-control when it comes to like cute little decorative pumpkins. I already have so many of them, but I just can't control myself. The first one is this one. It's like this cream kind of knit pumpkin. I just thought this was so cute. It's like a neutral colored pumpkin. I also got this one. I couldn't decide which one of these I liked better. I just went ahead and got them both. Hopefully I can find a spot for them. This one's like a cable knit kind of pattern. I don't really have any pumpkins like this. I also got this plush pumpkin. I almost feel like this could be a pillow. Like I'm not sure if this is like a pillow or if you just set this out. I guess you could do whatever with it. I think this is super cute. Next is another pumpkin decoration. I actually got this from a little boutique. I just thought this was so cute. Like the perfect pumpkin spice color, the little crochet. Next is Target. Target always gets me with their decorations. They didn't really have many out the day that I went. That's kind of a good thing. Now that I'm looking, why did I get this? It's this little woven pumpkin from the dollar section. It was literally $1, and it is really cute actually. It kind of just looks like a ball though. I also got this little plant type thing from the magnolia section. I just thought it was really cute. Very fall vibes. Lastly is a doormat. How cute is this little doormat? My sister also got one as well, so we have like little matching ones. I feel like a lot of like fall or even just like seasonal doormats are really cheesy, like they have like really cheesy sayings, but this one is just like little pumpkins, and I just thought it was really cute, and it was on sale, so it was only like $10. That is my little fall haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really did not need to get all these pumpkins. I'm excited to decorate and actually put all of this stuff out. Actually, like filming this video every year, like going to get pumpkin spice, decorating, it's like one of my favorite videos to film. Now I'm actually gonna make some cookies. My sister was in town a few weeks ago, and even though it was still summer, we made these little pumpkin cookies. They were so good. They were pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies. They just tasted like fall. Let's just make the cookies. Let's do a little taste test. So we actually made these whenever my sister was in town, so I've already had them before. Let's see how they taste when I make them. They're so pumpkin-y. They're pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies. You know these are good. You guys need to make these. It is a little bit later. The cookies were so good. I just finished cleaning up the kitchen. Now I'm gonna decorate for fall, put out some little fall decorations, some little pumpkins. Sorry if you can hear my dishwasher going. I should have waited to start that. I'm actually filming a whole fall decorate with me and tour video. Definitely make sure to stay tuned for that because it's gonna go up after this video in a couple days or like a week. I'm just gonna start bringing up my fall decorations and kind of cleaning up in here because it's actually kind of messy, and just getting everything ready to decorate for fall. everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and are feeling more in the fall spirit. I'm personally feeling really excited and ready for fall. The pumpkin spice, the pumpkin cookies, I have a pumpkin candle, new clothes from Garage. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely make sure to check out all of the Garage pieces. I'm gonna have them linked below in my description, as well as sizing details and everything like that. I absolutely love all the pieces I picked up. They're so cute and I know I'm gonna wear them so much this fall. They just have so many cute things and I definitely recommend checking out their pieces. I think you guys would really like them. They're so cute, they're so comfy. Like I said, I'm gonna have them all linked below at the very top of my descriptions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely thumbs up if you did. Comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.